Assalamu alaikum. Shalom. Hotel. Power to my people that's scattered all over the four corners of this planet we call Earth. This is your boy Azakar, bringing you that heat out that furnace. So you already know what to do. Just hit that like button, share it, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time your boy drop any type of content. You know, man. Man, with some people, man, they just get an inch of authority and they just really just show their true self, you know? Individuals just really just reveal who themselves are, especially when they have just a little bit of power. Just a tad bit. I'm going to leave a link in the description box, y'all. This is just crazy right here. This is from the Washington Post. I should call the CDC. Police officer under investigation after video appears to show him openly coughing at black residents. How you see that? I mean, man, come on. As a police officer walked toward a woman standing outside the public housing complex in southeast Baltimore, she called out to him and pointed her cell phone camera his way. "Hey, Officer Friendly, with the cherry cheeks," she said in a profanity-laced video footage posted to social media on Tuesday. The white officer said nothing, but continued to walk past the Perkins Homes housing complex. Then he appeared to intentionally cough more than 10 times without covering his mouth as he passed within a few feet of the black woman and a resident standing in the courtyard. That is some nasty ass shit. And the woman hollered, "I should call the CDC," said the woman, referring to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. "And let them know what you did some dirty shit like that." That's a hard hitter, man. That's just also some nasty, nasty shit. I got a picture of the guy right here. I mean, that's just terrible. Awful. Sad. Disgusting. The Baltimore Police Department announced an internal investigation into the incident Tuesday after reviewing the video shared on social media. The department also said it will review the unnamed officer's body camera footage. The point in having a damn camera. It's just so, man, it's just so hard being of the dark side. Because you get shitted on from every link from society. IJS. Am I lying? Because, I mean, it seems like sisters and brothers, we get it hard when we hit out the door. And sisters, you know, please, I talk on some of the guys who's trying to make it to you all. Please forgive us. We have not been the men we're supposed to be. And we're trying to be the men that we're trying to be right now. So please forgive us. But we should be front line with that. And they always picking on women. Always picking on women. They won't never go approach no big broad man to be with more than one cop. Oh man, it's just nasty as hell though. That is some nasty crap. Coughing on individuals. That's just sickening. But yeah, leave me some comments, like the video, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time I drop any type of content, man. That's just disgusting. Disgusting. Peace.